We don't need to spend any more time arguing what an alpha is. They don't exist. Alpha male and beta male, those are slang names for men. They're memes. They're caricatures. To me, alpha is the highest combination of qualities that you're capable of in any given moment. Stop projecting your shadow onto other men that you believe are weaker than you. Instead, get aligned with the highest energy. The alpha is inside you. It's one part of you. So let's talk about dominance hierarchy in the many parts of you. Which leader is running the show when we say alpha up? It means to call forward the generous king. Dominate your low value, lower level, ignorant, selfish, greedy, and ego-driven default trashy ass behavior. When you were producing good, that's alpha. When you're acting out of love, that's alpha.